Just like to talk today a little bit about field level security in Microsoft Dynamics GP. I'll be using Dynamics GP 2016 for my demonstration. However, this feature is available in prior versions of GP as well. So for example, let's say you would like to restrict access to the Calculate button in the fiscal period's setup window. If someone inadvertently clicks this button while accessing this window to open or close fiscal periods, it can cause some additional work because you would need to run your reconcile utility in financial, and also generally the data mart for management reporter needs to be rebuilt after fiscal periods are calculated. So in order to disable this button for a particular user or group of users, you can use field level security. Field level security is located also in the administration section under system. And you will need your system password for this. So once we've come into this window, you'll see that you have access to the users. You can also gain access to user classes if you use classes in your GP security setup and remove access to a particular window or a field in a window to a set of users that way. So in order to add this field level security, we click the Add button at the bottom. We will name it. And once you have a name set, you need to pick a product where the button is located, and it's in Microsoft Dynamics GP, so we'll find that and expand it. And the fiscal period setup we know is in company. If you don't know that, you can find that out within GP. And then we will pick the fiscal periods setup, expand that, and we'll pick the main fiscal period setup window. Here's the Calculate button. So if you found that, we click OK. Now we need to tell it what we'd like to do with that button. Under security mode, there are a bunch of options. We could choose to have a password entered before somebody's able to use it, or we can disable the field altogether. So for this particular user, we're going to just disable the field. We will save it. We'll come in here and we will choose it for lesson user 1 and apply that. So now this button will be unavailable, or the Calculate button will be unavailable to lesson user 1. And I can demonstrate to you that that worked by signing in as lesson user 1. And we will see that the button has been inactivated. So it will show as it'll show there, but it'll be grayed out, so the user cannot click on that button. We're logged in as that user. We'll go to administration, under company, choose fiscal periods. And we will see that that button is no longer available. So that's how we made that happen.